I'd start with a number line. And I'd start with 38. And I'd jump. 10.
That squirrel. The squirrel's doing funny on that sidewalk.
And that would get me to 48.
That squirrel. He's hilarious. That squirrel's hilarious.
Then I'd jump 2. Which would get me to 50. Then I would jump 7, which would get me to 57.
You just did 57 minus 38. If you look at yours, you were what you figured out was how much is in between 38 and 57. And you are right. In between 38 and 57, the difference is 19. But your problem is to take 38 and add 57.
Oh.
You could still use a number line, but instead of trying to get to 57 and finding the difference, you want to add 57. So you could still start at 38 if you want, or you could start at 57, and you're going to be adding the other number.
What should I start with this time?
It's up to you because it's addition. So when it's addition, you can start with whatever number you want. You can start with 38 or you can start with 57. It's up to you. Because when you add, it doesn't matter what order you add it in. Okay, so you have 38. And so how much are you supposed to add to 38? What does the problem say? Read your problem at the top. What does it say?
38 plus 57.
So we're going to add how much?
10.
You want to add the 10s first? Okay. So how many 10s are in 57?
50.
Okay, so you can add that first.
So I jump 50.
Yeah, you can jump the 50 first.
But I think that'd seem a little too high.
Well, that's what the problem says, 38 plus 57. So you're going to be adding 57. So if you want to add the 10s first, you can add all 50, because I think you know how to do 38 plus 50 in your head.
Okay. I'll just jump 50.
Okay.
Which would get me to 88.
There you go. Nice job.
But I jumped a little too high.
I don't think you jumped too high. I think you jumped just right, because if you look at your problem, it says 38 plus 57. So you need to add that 57 to the 38. You've already added 50. Now you just need to add what?
The 7.
Now the 7's a little trickier. You might want to decompose it. Might make it a little easier to do.
I don't really know how to decompose that well.
Really? Because you just did it on the other problem. So if you're at 88, a lot of times to make it easier, people try to get to what?
I'm not so sure.
If you're at 88, what would be the next friendly number?
98.
Exactly. Go ahead and write that 90 down so we don't forget.
Wait, in my jump?
No, on your line, right? If you're at 88, you're right. The next friendly number to get to would be 90, just like you said. And then what would you do?
Do something in my jump.
Yeah, go ahead, write it down. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to say it again. So the problem was 38 plus 57. First, you added 50. Then you add
2.
Okay. So how much do you still need to add?
7.
Well, you're right. You need to add 7, but you already added 2. So how much do you still need to add?
5.
You are so smart. That's right. Go ahead. Do that 5.
Which would get me to 95.
That is perfect. So you see how this problem was a little different than the other way you did it, because the answer for this problem is what?
57.
Well, that's what you added. So if you look at your problem, you started at 38, you added 57, and what is 38 plus 57?
95.
95. Go ahead and either circle that 95 or write it at the top.
There.
Now 95, is that bigger or smaller than 57?
Bigger.
Bigger, right? It's also bigger than 38. And when you're getting a bigger number, that means you're doing what?
Adding.
Adding, right?